Navigating today's crowded marketplace for vehicle accessories can feel overwhelming, especially when safety and peace of mind are on the line. Finding the best wireless dashcam on Amazon requires balancing high-resolution clarity, reliable connectivity, and smart features that genuinely protect your daily drive. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dashcam delivers exceptional everyday surveillance by simultaneously recording front traffic in upscaled 4K resolution and rear events in crisp Full HD 1080p. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor and a bright f1.5 aperture, it excels at pulling in ample light to produce remarkably clear footage during nighttime commutes, dim tunnel drives, or unpredictable weather conditions. Built-in dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi lets users quickly transfer files to their mobile devices at speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, while the dedicated smartphone app simplifies firmware updates and setting adjustments. Integrated GPS functionality logs live speed, compass headings, and exact travel routes right onto the video files, providing valuable evidentiary support when reviewing clips on a computer. Daily usability is further enhanced with voice guidance, seamless loop recording. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 Dashcam. The REDTIGER F7N Touch Dashcam combines a 4K UHD front lens featuring a wide 170-degree field of view with a 1080p rear camera to capture comprehensive road coverage day and night. Powered by WDR and HDR technologies alongside advanced night vision capabilities, it maintains impressive visual clarity in low-light environments, helping drivers easily record crucial details like passing vehicles and roadside markers. Operating the device is remarkably intuitive thanks to responsive voice commands for hands-free adjustments and a smart touchscreen that locks emergency videos or toggles Wi-Fi with a single tap. Connectivity is seamless through the companion smartphone app, offering swift 20 megabytes per second file transfers and real-time route sharing, complemented by built-in GPS that logs accurate location and speed data. Number 3. IIWEY N6 360-degree Dashcam. The IIWEY N6 360-degree dashcam redefines vehicle security by providing simultaneous 4-channel recording that covers the front, rear, and both vehicle sides to completely eliminate blind spots. Featuring ultra-wide viewing angles and adjustable side cameras equipped with infrared night vision and exclusive vision-enhanced technology, it captures clear lane markings and license plates even in dark junctions. Connectivity is handled smoothly via Wi-Fi 6 technology, operating on dual 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands, allowing rapid file previews and downloads reaching up to 20 megabytes per second directly through the mobile app. Built-in GPS accurately tracks vehicle coordinates and travel speeds, which can be easily mapped out during playback on smartphones or desktop computers. The system operates on a wired power connection without an internal battery, utilizing a reliable supercapacitor approach that requires either the included car charger or an optional hardwire kit for continuous operation.
Number 4. TERUNSOUl 4K Dashcam. The TERUNSOUl 4K Dashcam provides a reliable multi-angle security solution by recording the road ahead in crisp UHD 4K, alongside simultaneous 1080p coverage for both the cabin and the rear. Built around a 3.16-inch IPS display, the system utilizes a generous 170-degree front angle and dual 165-degree angles for the cabin and rear lenses to capture a nearly panoramic perspective of any driving situation. Low-light performance is significantly boosted by a Starlight grade 5-layer lens paired with an exceptionally large f1.6 aperture and HDR processing, ensuring critical details remain sharp during night driving or poorly lit conditions. Managing recorded media is efficient through dual-band 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, letting users transfer files at 20 megabytes per second to the companion smartphone app for instant viewing or sharing.
Number 5. 70mm A810 Lite 4K Dashcam. The 70mm A810 Lite 4K Dashcam delivers sharp Ultra HD recording utilizing a 3840 by 2160 front resolution matched with a 1080p rear camera to capture vital details like road signs and license plates with high fidelity. Equipped with an advanced f1.55 large aperture, HDR processing, and superior night vision capabilities, it expertly minimizes headlight glare and brightens dark environments through dependable recording around the clock. Modern connectivity shines through built-in Wi-Fi 6 support, enabling fast data transfer speeds up to 25 megabytes per second, so users can effortlessly download and manage footage on their smartphones without pulling the SD card. Location tracking is exceptionally accurate thanks to a robust 3-mode GPS system that logs speed and travel paths, while hands-free voice control lets drivers manage camera functions safely while keeping their eyes on the road. The unit relies on a durable supercapacitor instead of a standard lithium battery, offering superior heat resistance and stable long-term performance across extreme weather conditions. For round-the-clock protection, the dashcam supports 24-hour park and monitoring.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.